Hello students, this video is a guidance to help you to assess your suitability for commerce. That means if you are confused that in plus 2 level after class 10 if you want to select commerce, and if you are confused, you don't know what are the subjects you have to study in commerce in future, or what are the career prospects in commerce, whether commerce will be suitable for you with your aptitude, whether it will be suitable for you. Many parents also get confused about their children, whether commerce will be suitable for my child. I hope this video will help you. I am Dr. Aloke Gupta. I have been teaching as an assistant professor of commerce for the last few years in government colleges or institutions, and I have also taught in many private institutions of repute. I hope with my experience I'll be able to guide you a little bit. So let's start. What are the reasons for which you are selecting commerce? Are you afraid of studying science or mathematics, because of that you are going for commerce? Or you do not like arts or subjects like history? Or there is some other reason? Whatever be the reason, I must tell you, whatever be the reasons, commerce is a fantastic discipline. If you are little bit intelligent, if you even study less, if you are naughty, then also commerce is good for you. I have seen many students who have succeeded very much in their life of many reputed colleges or even government colleges. I have seen that many mediocre students have even succeeded in their life. Successfully they have done, they have entered their professional life after graduation or masters, who were very much mediocre up to class 10 level. They got only 65 or 75% hardly in their class 10 level, which is very much less nowadays. If you compare with a science student, successful science student, you will see that in commerce 70%, many students who got even 70% in class 10, they have become chartered accountants, or they are very much successful in their life, and they have started a career with a salary of 1 lakh rupees or so at the age of 23. I am talking standing in the year of 2019 only. So it is a great subject. What are the subjects you are going to study in commerce? Just have an idea. Accountancy, financial accounting or corporate accounting, business studies or commerce, cost accounting. Then you will have to study management accounting or financial statement analysis, direct taxes, indirect taxes, very much interesting, business law, company law, business mathematics, statistics. Now little bit maths you have to study here, and it is not very much less. So totally mathematics free commerce, ultimately up to the level of graduation, it is not possible. You should study commerce. In commerce you have to study with commerce subjects, with management subjects. You have to study some mathematics and statistics. And I must tell you that if you want to go in college teaching or research in commerce after master degree, then this statistics part will be very much needed for you. So don't ignore this subject also. Some other subjects like business management, marketing management, human resource management, e-commerce, business communication, entrepreneurship development, financial management, definitely language papers and environmental studies. These are common for all streams of study or disciplines of study. Computer application in business, etc. These are the major papers of commerce. So commerce means a mixture of different subjects. Business economics is also one of the very major subject of commerce. So economics with commerce, with mathematics, statistics and management, computer, etc. This is a combination of different subjects. Actually this discipline is a combination of different subjects, and I must tell you that commerce is a vibrant subject. Whatever you will study, the application is always current. That means in industry it is applicable. We are not reading something or studying something relating to past only, like history. I am not demeaning any stream. I don't have any intention to do that. Every stream is important, every study or every subject is important, but definitely this subject is always vibrant. It is related to present. So what are the career prospects in commerce? You must also you will be interested to know. You have options to study, go for professional courses like CA, chartered accountant, then cost and management accountant, chartered company secretary, etc. These professional courses you can go after class 12 only, you can start. So you can go for entrance exam, and with BCom, with graduation level, you can continue these professional courses, and even before BCom most of the course will be completed, or at least up to inter level or intermediate level it will be complete. So professional courses will give you a very much good prospect in your subject, in your line. Then examinations for government, bank or PSU jobs. You can definitely go for government jobs like UPSC, then state public service commission, then different bank exams, insurance sector exams, public sector undertaking exams. There are different exams, and definitely you can go for our civil services or police services. One of the good lines is definitely LLB. If you are going for 5 years law, then after 11-12 you can go for LLB, 5 years law. If you want to go for 3 years law, then after BCom, LLB, 3 years LLB will be a good option, because BCom LLB, the people are good for tax practices, etc. Then master degree after graduation and go for college or university teaching. Definitely you can go for master degree. That means after BCom you can go for MCom or MBA, and then you may enter college teaching or university teaching after clearing NET or SET exam as per the current regulation in 2019, or you can go for PhD also, and then you may join college teaching. So this career prospects, I will make a separate video for that. This is a brief idea. Then you can definitely go for school teaching after B.Ed. That means after graduation BCom you have to go for, or after BCom or MCom you have to go for Bachelor of Education, and then you can go for school teaching. That is definitely a noble profession. Again, start own business or join corporate sector. Definitely if you want to start your own business, that is a fantastic idea, and in that case you will be able to contribute to the society directly. You will be your own boss. You may be able to create employment through creating own business or starting own business. Then you may also join corporate sector after BCom or MBA. Some hidden advantages of studying commerce. That means commerce people have some hidden advantages. This is definitely secret, but I am sharing with you. Other people or other colleagues that you will have in future, or people in society, will respect you definitely, because always the finance officers or treasury officer, they are people from commerce, and through these people only the salary bills and other bills of other employees are always cleared. So they will admire you or respect you, because commerce people always hold these positions. That is very much secret advantage or hidden advantage of commerce people. And definitely you will be able to file your tax returns, and your own return as well as the return, income tax return of your family members. So you will be able to save money through this also. I file my own income tax return, and I also file the income tax return of my other family members. So through this I can at least save money, and I definitely have the satisfaction that I can apply my subject knowledge directly. Then if you do business, you will be in an advantageous position. That means definitely people may from different field may start their own business, but if you have studied commerce, then you will have a commercial mind. That means a mind which is ready for starting business or doing business. So if you are a student of commerce, you will be in an advantageous position definitely. Then some very important points I would like to mention in my last slide, that whichever stream of study you select, first think properly, judge yourself properly, and whatever you select, whatever field of study you select, try to excel in that field. Apply your 100%. Try to be honest with yourself. Give your 100%, 10% in the field. Do not be mediocre in everything. Try to excel in at least one field. Try to be master in at least one field. Be it dancing, be it singing, be it study, be it playing, whatever. But try to be master in at least one field. We have that talent. We should invent that. We should try to recognize that talent, own talent. Above all, try to be a good human being, because the entire system, from your childhood to after clearing up to the clearing of master degree or whatever, the entire system is built up not only for making you or memorizing you some lessons. It is intended for your holistic development. So try to be a good human being. Try to do something meaningful, contribute or return to the society finally. All the best for your future. In the next video, we'll meet with some other important prospect of your life. Thank you very much.